Hi everyone, Maria Mitchell here bringing you another face painting tutorial. Today we're painting the most spectacular cat in the dollhouse. I'm going to show you how to paint Mercat. So we're starting off with Pearl Ocean Mist with a number 6 round brush. And we are going to draw a big circle just to the left or the right side of the child's face. Then we're doing some little triangles up the top for the ears and then drawing on the arms. At the end of the arms, we do a little bit of a circle nobbin just to sort of define the paws there. And coming sort of down below the chin area as a V with that same colour. Now we're going to grab Leanne's collection Bella Luna, which is from Fusion Body Art. The links are all to all these split cakes and colours are all down in the description below. So we're going to proceed drawing on the mermaid tail and just following the strokes that I am guiding you through here and really defining that tail. With the heel of the brush, we're just going to fill in with a light part of that purple from that split cake. Now, I really love to use Prime Pro Paraffin White because it's a real bold white and it's great for painting on different colours, particularly if they're really strong in pigment. So just doing some little arm and eyes, and give it a nice good size. And then what we're going to do is with your petal brush, load it up with Prime Royal Purple by Fusion. Pick up that white on the tip of that petal brush, just like you would double dip, and proceed doing on the top of the head of Mercat. And just with some magic magenta, loading up that liner brush that you will have. So all the links to the brushes are down below, and just making a starfish by making a dot, flicking up, then to the sides, and then the two legs down the bottom of that starfish. Now let's put on the nose. A little pink one with that same colour, and with your black, loading up that liner brush. And we're going to start with the eyes. So we really want to make sure our brush is loaded nicely here, and you've got that really nice creamy consistency to make sure that your lines are really nice and clean for the eyes. So we're just going to slant the eyes a little bit and flick the top corners up. And then just drawing on that pupil, leaving a dot of white in the middle just to define the shine of that pupil. And we're going to proceed in outlining the rest of Mercat. With the ears, make sure you've got that little triangle within the big triangle that makes the ear. We're going to outline the bottom cheek and then coming out to the paw, arms, the paws, and for the muzzle, coming down slightly and then drawing a lovely little smile. Continue to outline. And as we're outlining, making sure that we press down and then pull up as we come down. So we have that nice soft tip for every single stroke. Continue that along. And once we've finished her skin, we're going to get onto the tail. So wrapping that brush right around the edges of that tail. And nice curl in, curl out, and then bring back in for the tails, the tip of the tail. Correcting anything if you need to. Now just doing some highlights, I'm going to just dab off excess white from that brush. This is that number 6 round brush that we use to put on the Pearl Ocean Mist, and just drawing the outline. Final touches, putting in the paws of Mercat's cute little hands. Just to add a little bit of extra interest, just putting some swirls and curls. Give it that little splash effect as well. Some more swirls along here and some bubbles. Using a liner brush, make a little circle and then a C right to the side of that circle. Really gives it that nice transparent bubble look. You can add some glitter to this, which will make it look super beautiful, but I think the way it is absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you give this face paint a go. Please let me know in the comments how you went. And until next time, happy face painting.